went to Infocom. It's the Pro AV annual convention for our industry. It was in Orlando this year. Everything was going great. I know this could become a long story, but I'll keep it short. I was staying on schedule, meals were good, the hotel was great. So the day comes, I have to leave, and I get a text at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. My flight is going to be 30 minutes late, okay?
That's fine.
I'm thinking, okay, the Uber's not here yet, so maybe by the time I get to the airport, the plane will also be at the airport. Finally, I get to the airport in time to get my flight. I'm hanging out, eating snacks, just waiting around. My flight gets canceled. Don't panic, go to the customer service desk. So I do that. 20 minutes later, she books me for a flight. Problem is, there's no way to get from Charlotte to Syracuse that evening. The last flight out was the one I was supposed to be on. They're like, okay, well, we can give you an allowance for your motel. You'll have free shuttle bus service to get there. Now it's pushing like 11 o'clock, get to the motel, jump in bed at midnight for a 6 a.m. flight. Long story short, I get to the airport the next morning on time, get to my gate, and I walk into this gate has these humongous, really high ceilings. It's like a cathedral. It's just this really impressive gate. Bad acoustics, obviously. And I'm thinking, oh boy, you know, the AV guy coming out at me, gonna be muddled sound, right? Next thing you know, the woman at the gate, she's on the PA system, and I could hear it super clear.
Do not come stand in line or stand at the gate reader until I've called your group, and remain comfortably seated until so.
I was just blown away at how crystal clear the audio was. It was super intelligible sound. Anyway, I look around. What it is they have column array speakers. And the thing with column arrays is they have a narrow dispersion pattern, so they project the sound to where the people are. They keep the sound from, you know, spraying on the walls and ceiling and floor, because they have a hard surface floor. The sound is kept in a narrow beam. For that reason, it's directed to your ears, basically, and it's super intelligible. I liked it. The whole point of this is, if they can do that in a lobby, you can use the same technology and we have in corporate conference rooms. Sound can be directed to the people at the table, kept off the walls, the hard surface windows, and the ceiling. It really overcomes bad acoustics. To go a step further, if you have really terrible acoustics, if it's a large boomy room, the next step is something called a steerable column array, where you can actually digitally, using software, direct the sound exactly where you want it to go in the room. You can be sitting in one chair, and if you move 6 feet back, let's say, you won't even hear the sound. That's how steerable that sound beam is. Some cool technology out there. Yeah, take advantage of it. Don't go to Florida, don't book a last flight. Ciao.